So the CEO of Telegram was just arrested and could face up to 20 years in the slammer, leading a lot of people to wonder what's going to happen to Telegram. Is Apple or Google going to delete it from your app store? Everyone out there is posting free Pavel, like Elon Musk, after this recent interview was posted with Tucker Carlson. So in this video, we're going to talk about what's actually taking place right now, what you need to know, the steps that you need to take right now before Apple deletes Telegram from your phone, the reason why Rumble's founder fled Europe after the arrest of Telegram's founder, what's happening with Telegram's popular cryptocurrency Toncoin plummeting over the past 24 to 48 hours. Are different crypto exchanges going to delist Toncoin, or is it a good time to back up the truck and buy? We're getting into the Toncoin to the US dollar price chart alongside a project that I'm extremely bullish on that is doing something that no other project is doing in the space. So let me know, do you guys hold Toncoin? If you don't, either way, this is going to be a very important video because we have to talk about free speech on social media, what it means for all of us. So comment 777 if you're feeling blessed, if you're feeling bullish, and like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're going to become the first millionaire in your family tree. Let's run it.
We get too much attention from the FBI, the security agencies, wherever we came to the US. So to give you an example, last time I was in the US, I brought an engineer that is working for Telegram, and there was an attempt to secretly hire my engineer behind my back by cybersecurity officers or agents, whatever they are called.
The US government tried to hire your engineer?
That's my understanding. That's what he told me.
To write code for them or to break into Telegram?
They were curious to learn which open source libraries are integrated to the Telegram's app, on the client side, and they were trying to persuade him to use certain open source tools that he would then integrate into the Telegram's code that, in my understanding, would serve as backdoors.
Would allow the US government to spy on people who use Telegram?
The US government, or maybe any other government, because a backdoor is a backdoor regardless of who is using it.
That's right.
And
that's a little surprising to hear. Maybe it's not surprising, it's offensive. You're confident that happened?
Yes. There is no reason for my engineer to make up the stories. Also because I personally experienced similar pressure in the US. Whenever I would go to the US, I would have two FBI agents greeting me at the airport, asking questions. One time I was having my breakfast at like 9 a.m. and the FBI showed up at my house that I was renting, and that was quite surprising. And I thought, we're getting too much attention here. It's probably not the best environment to run.
Why would had you committed a crime?
No, they were interested to learn more about Telegram. They knew I, left Russia. They knew what we were doing, but they wanted details. And my understanding is that they wanted to establish a relationship to, in a way, control Telegram better. I understand that they were doing their job. It's just that for us running a privacy-focused social media platform, that probably wasn't the best environment to be in. We want to be focused on what we do, not on government relations of that sort.
The government.
So what's going on in the world right now is absolutely crazy. With Pavel being arrested, Andrew Tate arrested, Tristan Tate arrested, Donald Trump arrested, then shot, Alex Jones bankrupted, Kanye West asset frozen, and Elon Musk now being investigated and boycotted. Meanwhile, the Obamas, Bushes, Bidens, and Clintons are completely free. What's going on here is very clear. It's a free speech war. Now, as you guys know, Elon Musk faced a DDoS attack by having Donald Trump on in an interview, and he just recently posted this at 1 a.m. saying free Pavel.
To be fair, you have now Twitter or X, that seemingly becoming more pro freedom of speech. It's a great development, and things are starting to change, it seems. We love the fact that Elon bought Twitter. We thought it was a great development for a number of reasons. First reason is just innovation. You could see X trying a lot of things. Some of them will turn out to be mistakes. Some of them will work, but at least they're trying to innovate. That's something we didn't have outside of Telegram and a few other companies in this industry for the last 10 years. What X is trying to do is innovation, trying different things, trying to give power to the creators, trying to get the ecosystem economy going. Those are all exciting things. And I think we need more companies like that. I don't know if it's good for humanity that like Elon is spending so much time on Twitter making it better, but it's definitely good for the social media industry.
So what's crazy about this whole situation is if Telegram can be banned because drug dealers use it to exchange information, then shouldn't Mercedes also be banned because they are used to transport drugs? Don't be fooled. Freedom of speech is at stake. So if you have a restaurant, imagine if you had a terrorist that came to your restaurant, ordered a sub, you didn't even know it, they left, and then you're getting raided by the FBI and saying you are supporting a terrorist by giving them food. So we don't know. Maybe he did do something sketchy. I have no clue. But here's what we need to look at. How absolutely chiseled and dialed this dude is. Look how shredded this guy is. It is absolutely insane. I mean, this guy is a freaking superhuman doing all these ice baths and stuff. Have you guys ever tried one of these ice baths? I jumped in it. They absolutely suck. I think whoever's arrested him is just pissed that this guy's an absolute unit. They wish they could go monk mode like this. So this is a testament that they don't want you to win. They don't want you shredded. They don't want you speaking out. And the arrest of this guy is a disturbing attack on free speech and a threat not just to Telegram, but any online platform. Governments should not engage in censorship. This is a blatant and deeply troubling overreach of power. Lex Friedman just posted this. So I don't know how true this is, but if it is, and you guys want to use Telegram, there are rumors that Apple is about to remove Telegram from its app store and automatically delete it from your iPhone. So Telegram announced that to prevent this, you can apply these settings to prevent your Telegram app from being deleted. So you simply open up your settings on your phone, you scroll down and you look for where it says screen time. So you click screen time. Then for step 3, you want to turn on your content and privacy restrictions button right there. Now where it says iTunes and App Store purchases, it might look different on a Google phone. I'm on Apple. We click that and you'll see where it says installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases. Now where it says allow on deleting apps, you want to make sure it says don't allow, so Apple can't just go in and delete the app from your phone, especially if you guys are in any Telegram groups. We have our Telegram group with like 12,000 people where we provide free public information for you guys on what's happening in the markets every single day for crypto. So if you don't want them to delete the Telegram app on your phone, do that right now and then plug it with our group in the description below, because we're going to keep you guys up to date on what's happening in the crypto market the rest of this bull run. Chris Pavlovsky posted this, Rumble's founder. He fled to Europe. He said, I'm a little late for this, but for good reason. I've just safely departed from Europe. France has threatened Rumble, and now they have crossed a red line by arresting Telegram's CEO, reportedly for not censoring speech. Rumble will not stand for this behavior and will use every legal means available to fight for freedom of expression, a universal human right. We are currently fighting in the courts of France, and we hope for Pavel's immediate release. So upon this news, we saw Toncoin crash 12% to $5.91, and currently, right now, at the time of making this video, it's at $5.86. So when there's blood in the streets, usually it's a good time to buy, but is it a good time to buy this project right now? Let me know your guys' thoughts. Again, I don't give you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Crypto is very risky. You could lose money in these markets. These videos are purely designed for informational, educational purposes only and should not be constituted as investment advice. You should always do your own research, consult a financial advisor. And by liking this video and subscribing to the channel, you're okay with getting wrecked because it's your own decision to buy anything in these markets. So when we look at Toncoin, this is the coin of Telegram. It's sitting at $14 billion market cap. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. It's listed on several different exchanges. Now, I don't hold any Toncoin and I don't plan on it. And with this news happening, obviously it's not good for this project, regardless of whatever anyone has to say, because it is correlated with Telegram. So any bad news about Telegram, these are some serious charges, guys. He could face 20 years. Now, obviously, it's complete BS what's going on with the attack on free speech. Nobody knows what they can even say anymore without getting canceled. Even for me, it's like, I don't even know what I can say in this video, so I'm just covering the news for you guys. I'll let you formulate your own opinion and we'll talk about this, because Toncoin is definitely correlated with Telegram. So I don't plan on buying this project even with the dip. If we look at the chart right here, it's in at $5.86. I do think it could come down further. If we look at it just from a technical analysis standpoint, it backtested and it wicked off of the previous high of December of 2021. Now, we're not in a usual scenario here because what's happening right now is just the start and we don't know the legal process that this guy is gonna go through. Now, a lot of you guys remember another company that went through an intense legal battle with the SEC and what happened to the price. It was XRP. We saw the price rally all the way up here, and then the lawsuit was filed, and then it dropped all the way back down to this ascending support right here, coming all the way back down to the levels that it was at pre-breakout in May of 2020. So when we just look at Toncoin's chart, this could get a lot worse for this project, guys. You know, not to say that it can't break out, it can definitely break out. There's just a lot of uncertainty around this right now. So if this project sees a bigger shakeout, I would expect it to come back down to these levels, and then maybe I would consider buying some. Again, I'm not telling you what to do, but you know, at like $2.50 right now, at $5.84, you know, off from the all-time high of about 40%. I do think there's better projects out there to buy than Toncoin right now, because even with this news, it's down only 29%. This is just the start. We don't know what this guy's gonna have to go through in court. That's the most important thing to understand. Whereas one project that I'm more bullish on, obviously you guys know this because you hear me talk about it every day, but it's XRP, because XRP has gone through the fire. They're coming out of the fire within the next 2 months. So we know how long and grueling a legal battle is, because I've been talking about XRP this entire process, and whether the SEC appeals or not doesn't matter. XRP on the secondary market is not a security. That's the most important thing. The price is actually held up very well in this uptrend right here. And so in terms of risk to reward ratio, I think there's very minimal risk. Now, there obviously is some risk in anything, but there's minimal risk in XRP compared to the reward to the upside for this project and what's going to be happening over the next few weeks, few months, in next few years. Plus, if we look at XRP on the monthly chart, we see momentum building up on the MACD. We can also see a bullish cross took place down near 20 for the stochastic RSI, and now we're trending back up. And also we can see the amount of time XRP has just spent in this macro symmetrical triangle over the past few years. So the next stop for XRP, you know, if the market breaks out, remember guys, if the market doesn't break out for total 2 and for total 3 and we go down just across the whole board, then everything's going down. So you're just not gonna make money in anything unless you have a proven strategy that I'm explaining in a little bit. So the only reason, in my opinion, why XRP would go down is if the rest of the market goes down. There's lots of reasons why XRP would go up. Number one, we're coming to the apex of this macro symmetrical triangle. And from a technical analysis standpoint, when we break either the resistance or the support, in this case, let's say we break the resistance, hold it as support, the next move to the upside would be a previous zone of resistance. And that's the high of the 10th of July of 2023, also the high of the 28th of March, and that's roughly around $1. Now, usually what I've seen in these markets when projects break through macro resistances like this, especially after this long of coiling up, they blast right through it and it doesn't slow down, and it usually comes back down to back test it, and it does something like this. And so I don't think this will actually act as a resistance. I think the next resistance that XRP will hit will be the high from August of 2021, even the ultimate high of 2021 at the peak. And so I think it will come back up to it, maybe not make it quite to, you know, $2. It might come up between $1.30, $1.40, and then consolidate at this level before doing something like this and then shaking everyone out and then working our way on out of here towards the tail end of this bull run to form a new high and have a parabolic breakout. This is what I would expect XRP's chart to look like. Now, could I be wrong? Absolutely. I have 100% chance of being wrong, because of course it's not going to look exactly like this, but case in point, XRP has been in this ascending support since March of 2020. It's most likely going to hold this support because it's held it since the 12th of August of 2024, the 1st of July of 2024, the 8th of April of 2024, the 9th of January of 2023, the 20th of March, the 14th of November of 2022, the 29th of August of 2022, all the way back to the 13th of June of 2022 to July of 2022, going all the way back to post-lawsuit of the 11th of January, going all the way back to the 22nd of June and July, going all the way back to COVID. So I think it's very, very clear that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus different points of contact on this ascending support means that it's a very strong ascending support. And the only reason why XRP would break that is if the whole market's seen a mass sell-off. And so in terms of risk, very minimal risk compared to another project like Toncoin, where the potential to the downside is actually much larger, in my opinion, from where we're at right now. Like, we could see this project crash another 50%, whereas XRP, the risk for XRP to this ascending support is 20% to the downside. So even if XRP sells off a little bit more, this is the risk to reward ratio that we're looking at right here. The risk is this red box, the reward is this green box. anywhere between, the high of July of around $1, the high of September 2021 around $1.30, $1.40, and the high of 2021. I mean, we can even go as high as the all-time high. Even if XRP doesn't make it that high, the risk to reward is incredible. Anyone that knows anything about crypto would agree with me on this. The people that don't agree are just narcissists, and they're just generally negative people because they've been holding for years and they just want to get rich overnight. Those are usually the people that go to the gas station and just buy lottery tickets every week. They expect to get rich through like a Powerball drawing or something like that. Yeah, I've bought a few lottery tickets in my life, but I literally know I'm just burning money doing that. Investing in crypto, I'm not treating this like a lottery. I'm treating XRP like a 401k that's not going to go away because it's already been through the worst. I mean, look at what the lawsuit did right here. That was the worst of it. Then look what happened after the lawsuit during the bull run. And then it went through the bear market. And so the worst of the bear market was over. The next step for XRP is making it through the Fed pivot to lowering rates, but the whole market has to go through that. So that's why XRP is the #1 project that I hold. Also, a lot of people want to know what else I'm bullish on. Well, if you go to xrpl.to, there's a project right here that is the first play to earn game on the XRP ledger that I've been testing out over the past month when this project was roughly right around $50. It's since 2x from there, while the rest of the crypto market got absolutely destroyed with projects dropping anywhere from 10, 20, 30, 40, even 50%. This project did a 2x, and the reason why is because it has the first play to earn game on the XRP ledger, and I'll leave a link in the description below this video for you guys to check this out, where you can discover how to earn more crypto in less than 10 minutes per day with this play to earn game. You just click the button on the page, put in your best email address, and on the other side, you can watch this 8-minute video, get started right away. We'll show you how to get your XRP wallet. We'll show you how to get your game pieces to play the game, how to play the game, how to withdraw crypto every single day, and then how to benefit from the #1 liquidity pool on the XRP ledger to earn things like trading fees and other benefits within this game. For example, if I click rent, I simply collect digital game pieces, and these digital game pieces earn me crypto rewards just by playing the game for less than 10 minutes. So it's super fun, it's super simple. Now keep in mind, the game is the first on the XRP ledger, so it's brand new. So there are a few bugs here and there, but that's to be expected. I mean, how many bugs have there been in all these Apple updates and all this stuff? But the game mechanics are absolutely genius. As you can see right here, I've earned about 22 crypto the past few days. Right now, crypto is sitting at about $97. So if I take 22, multiply that by 97, that's roughly $2,134 worth of crypto. I've earned about 228 crypto rewards for playing this game the past month. So if I take 228, multiply that by, let's just say 100, if it goes up another $3. No guarantees there, obviously, but that's about $22,800 worth of crypto in the past 30 days. So again, if you guys want to learn how this is possible, you can click the link in the description below, watch the videos on the other side, and get started right now. And you can start stacking up your crypto rewards as more attention gets drawn to the XRP ledger in this project specifically, because right now the market cap is only at $3.3 million. This is a micro cap project, guys, so there is higher risk here. However, as more people start to discover this game when XRP breaks out, then the liquidity pool is paired directly to crypto. As you can see, there's 4.6 million XRP in the liquidity pool. It's the #1 liquidity pool in the world on the XRP ledger. So I simply play the game less than 10 minutes per day. I earn crypto. I add crypto to the liquidity pool. That I can remove liquidity if I want as crypto or as XRP. And I just keep compounding my rewards. So guys, go through the link below, watch the 8-minute video on the other side, get started right now, because with all the uncertainty around Toncoin right now, plus you stack that with the technical analysis right here on the weekly chart of a bearish cross on the MACD well above the zero line, it just doesn't look good from a technical analysis standpoint. Like, I want to put up $100,000 into this project, but why would I when we've clearly shifted momentum from bullish over to bearish on the MACD? Whatever happens to the CEO of Telegram directly impacts this project. And again, I'm here to help you guys preserve your capital. I'm here to help you make money so you don't get absolutely wrecked. And right now, this looks like wreck city coming all the way back down here. Although I could be wrong. This project already had its breakout and rallied over 300%. The indicator is overvalued right now. You combine that with the RSI topping out right here above 88. We're in a downtrend right here. I don't usually buy a project when the indicators are showing this massive bearish momentum right here, especially when the RSI is at 50 right in the middle. There's just too much uncertainty there. What I would like to see is a relative strength index below 30, closer to 20. I would like to see the MACD all the way down here forming some type of bullish cross below zero. I'd also like to see the price a lot lower than what it is right now to see a reversal take place. That's when I would consider entering into something like Toncoin. But that's just me. I became a millionaire before 30 because of decisions like this. So again, guys, I'm not here to spread fear. I'm here to spread facts. I'm a fact monger. And so sometimes the facts rub people the wrong way because they're like, FUD, you're just spreading FUD. No, not at all. I'm spreading facts, and if you can't handle that, then get out of the way of our truck, because we're backing it into the bank, grabbing the bags, packing them and stacking them, leaving no bags left behind, because we believe and we know that the spending power of the dollar just keeps going down because of what the Federal Reserve is doing. Inflation, blockchain technology, distributed ledger technology, and cryptocurrencies over time have been going up in value. That's the truth. And together, you know where we're going, guys. We're going camping on the beaches of the moon. I'll see you on the next video. I will see you on bullrunners.com. As always, you know what to do. Stay bullish.